Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are celebrating National Science Day, and this we celebrate to give a honor for the discovery of Raman effect, which was being discovered by C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhar Venkatesh Raman. And so we will start science. As fun with science, so we will do an experiment. First experiment, I will show the lava lamp. For that we require baking soda, oil, vinegar and any of the colors. So first I will put baking soda in the glass. Then I will pour oil. Then in another beaker I will mix vinegar. And color. Now as the vinegar reacts with baking soda, you can see a lamp, lava lamp. It is just looking like a lamp.